Hey everyone! I have been so impressed with the conversations that have been going on in book clubs. I love looking in my email and then going on to Schoology and seeing that throughout the day, like 28 kids have had responses to book clubs. So continue what you're doing with your discussions when you reach those 100 pages. The next step is going to be going back into those discussions and actually responding to your peers. So if Miss Marin makes a post about the book, The Hate You Give, and I agree with what she says, I'm going to respond back to her, and then we're going to have dialogue or conversation through Schoology. Now, just so you guys are aware, your discussions are being graded, and how that's being done is through this document here. I'm going to cover up students' names, but we read through the discussions, and then you are graded on the IB rubric of 0 through 8. So a 0 means that you haven't given a response, and then after that it works to, how can I do this? 2, 4, 6, and 8. 8 is obviously what we're looking for. You're really detailed with that response. All prompts are answered. You have additional information, details, and evidence provided. I would say most students are scoring between a 4 and a 6. So you're answering the discussion questions, but not necessarily being as detailed. So our hope is that you are able to start really creating those discussions, and that you're answering each other's questions and thoughts, so it's not just the teachers doing that. So challenge yourself this week to do that, and I hope that you guys have an amazing week. As always, if you have any questions, please check in with one of your teachers, and we're happy to help you. Remember, if you guys do finish a book, that you do need to create a flip grid. So a lot of you are starting to finish, and so we need to start seeing those flip grids happen. Questions? Ask your teacher. Have a great week, guys. Bye.